5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32.
We're not going to be talking about the Arsenal today. We're going to take a walk with it. Now keep in mind, I'm using the Sony a7R Mark II, so I don't have all the features available for it yet. However, I saw a blog on their website from a fellow named Ryan, who I'm assuming is one of the creators of the device, and he stated that we can expect whole scene focus and multi-point focus within the next update or two. Now we posted this January 4th, so that's good news. However, the bad news is the update was due to release sometime around January 14th, and it is now February 1st, and we have seen crickets. But today I think I'll show you guys what I can use with it, which is the exposure modes, the smart mode, and the handheld mode. Furthermore, I would like to take a look at the adaptability of well-adapted lenses and how well they work with this device. And for that, I'll be using, this is my Canon 200mm f2.8 prime with the Sigma MC11 adapter. It's also worth noting that we're in the middle of a winter vortex. And if you don't know what that means, it's about -40 out here. And here's an illustration to see what that looks like. That said, let's get to work. So we're gonna go handheld now. And what you do is you press this down for 2 seconds. So 1 1000, 2 1000. And let's see if you're connected. It's a big fat no. This is the way I've been taking street shots using the Arsenal. The handheld mode has failed me, so this is what I've resorted to doing. I would say 4 out of 10 of the time, it's not gonna fucking focus. It keeps giving me the camera error, or it'll tell me my lens is locked or set to manual, which is a lie. But whatever, we'll keep going with it. Alright, we're out here. -22 degrees. We have the Arsenal hooked up to my Sony a7R II, and I have the Canon 200mm f2.8 mounted. So let's see if this wants to work. No. Let's try that again. So that's not working. I guess I'll just try to set that up with a native Sony lens and we'll try that again. So now I have the Sony 70 to 300mm attached, and let's give this a go. Alright, so I've been having loads of disconnection issues with this thing tonight. I'm assuming it's the weather, but we'll keep it going. So, the Arsenal Pros, while I'm trying to take a picture of this tree, usually what I do is I switch off that live view in the top right corner. This usually works, but oh, there we go. Alright, so what do we get from that? Well, for starters, adapted lenses are a no-go. Number 2, I think that the handheld mode is pretty suspect because I feel like I took every picture to aperture priority mode, and I think it could benefit from some kind of on-screen indication telling you when you switch between normal mode and handheld mode, because fucking I had no idea either or if I was taking an aperture priority or normal. And number 3, connection's very shoddy. I had to reboot my entire system many times, and it would keep telling me that I was in manual focus, which I wasn't, and it would tell me camera error, and it'd tell me, or it'd freeze. Alright, so that is the end of this video, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just say, I am sorry about the audio. The cold weather has given my audio recorders a good shafting. My phone doesn't want to work, and my mics don't want to work. But at any rate, I hope you liked it, hope you got something out of it, and I hope to see you again in the near future. Thanks. See ya.